So as compared to the previous class, the topic discussion happened about the marketing, the role of marketing for the entrepreneurs, how they use this marketing concept in improving of their business. I said also there are two types of marketing generally exist, traditional as well as modern marketing. And marketing is a managing profitable customer relationships. So attracting new customers, retaining and growing the new current customers. Marketing is not synonym with sales or advertising. This is very important one. We used to assume that marketing and sales or marketing is a advertising. No, these sales and advertising are part of the marketing. Marketing is a very bigger one, right? Sales, distribution, advertisement, all this comes as a part of the marketing only. Now, if you see the customer point of view, because this is a very crucial one, we have to maintain a profitable customer relationships to be maintained, right? What are the things? What is meaning of profitable customer relationships? Two things: attracting new customers. Always we should attract the new customers, and also retaining the old customer is one of very challenging one. Retaining and growing the current customers is a very challenging one. This should be done. Marketing consists of strategies and tactics used to identify, create, and maintaining satisfied relationship with the customers that result in value for both the customer and the marketers. So it is social managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and what through creating and exchanging value with others. The process by which companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationships in order to capture value from customers in return. These are all concepts which I said in the previous one. There are various definitions of marketing, and the first one is saying that is called what are strategies and practice playing, identifying the relationship, creating relationship, and maintaining the satisfying relationship with the customers. Always important one. Example, what you have is called service oriented. Service oriented is one of the first main most important thing is once the item is sold out, you should not lose the customers. So we should have maintain a relationship with that one. What is the techniques generally we use in the colleges? We maintain the alumni. Alumni is one of the things. So we maintain alumni relationships also. Those students who passed out from the college and those are they do maybe some job or some company they start, but still we will maintain relationship with them. That's why college also every year we used to conduct December 25th alumni day. There the students used to come, the old students used to come and they used to discuss, they used to tell the various opportunities in the companies like this. So that is one other thing is called. So we won't lose any of the students who passed out from the college. So we'll maintain relationships. That is most important one. The government also insisting the all the colleges, universities. So you maintain relationship with your students only because your students output, what are the feedback they give about the industry is, how much the education helped them, always important one. Like this, the companies also maintain relationship with the customers. So to maintain here now called a good relationship allows them to expand the market. The marketing process generally consists of like this. Understand the marketplace and customer needs and wants. Exactly understand the marketplace. Okay, exactly what the customers are looking for it. Get to first of all understand the entire situation is. How do you understand this all these things? Understanding means called just go and involve, right? Sitting in the home and doing and just by watching some YouTube videos and literature study. No, it may help you, but it's not completely 100%. So looking information, getting information on YouTube and actual one, there's a difference would exist. Once you go out, then only it is possible you can see that. That is how thing is understand the marketplace, right? Exactly what the customers are looking and customer needs and wants. That is most important. When you talk to the customer directly, then only it comes to you. Design a customer-driven marketing strategies. So how do you design it, right? What are the things exist? What are the strategies that exist? That's also we have a lecture. Okay, how do I divine the how do I prepare a marketing strategy, right? So for example, what you have is prepare advertisement is one of the marketing strategy using the brand ambassadors we have, using the famous people are there, using them it is possible, right? Yesterday last time you already said the Chiranjeevi versus what do you have Sachin Tendulkar. So most of you said is called Chiranjeevi is a better one because you can reach all the levels, right? So you want to capture only urban level, then go for the topmost models, right? You want to reach the last village of the country. then you go for the similarities. So this is the thing is called, you should take care of that one. Is constructing a marketing program that delivers superior value, right? To deliver superior value, construct a marketing program, prepare it, okay? Build profitable relationships and create customer delight. Capture value from customers to create profits and customer qualities. That's the first one. Is understand marketplace and customer needs are needs, wants, and demands. Understand it. Core customer and marketplace concepts where we have is the needs, markets, and demands. Marketing offers value and satisfaction, exchange transactions and relationships, and markets. Understand the needs of customers. Okay, understand what exactly they want. Okay, they want is quality. For example, they want quality. What they want, they need is called, they will call, they need immediately one. So for example, milk, they need milk in morning time. So that's a need. So often we want deliver a milk, no one purchases. There's no use of it. All right. Like this, you should identify the needs and what they want, at what time they want, and demands at what time they, how much demand it is their product is. What are the offers you can give to the customers, sir? Marketing offers, right? For example, discounts like this, how much value and satisfaction, exchanges, transactions, relationships, other market is. So if you see, people need food, air, water, clothing, and shelter to survive. Beginning of said already, the point is called. What is required for us? First one is food is required, right? Roti and kapda and makan. So food, air, water belongs to food only, clothing and shelter. So roti, kapda, and makan. And the fourth one, what is the fourth one? I said in the beginning of the semester, the fourth one is required is internet. So roti, kapda, makan, and what is internet is required. The four of them have it. The fourth one has come into existence. The fourth one in the 2020s from onwards, the fourth came into existence is the internet. So people need internet, need food, clothes, shelter, and internet to survive. So people also have strong needs for creation, education, and entertainment. That's also required. They need entertainment first, but entertainment is the last one, not the beginning one. Huh? Remember that. So they need new type of the things, creations, okay, new ventures, new things they want. So they want education, they want entertainment. The one needs become wants when they are directed to specific objects that might satisfy the need. As an American needs food, but may want a hamburger, French fries, and a soft drink. Look at the response. A person in Mauritius needs food, but may want a mango rice, so lentils and beans. Wants are shaped by one society and described in terms of objects that will satisfy needs. A small difference there between need and wants are. Need is more important one. It changes from place to place. So we the Indians need rice, but if you go to American needs, they want to call always call hamburger, French fries. They like that soft drinks like that. But we all these things are only supplement food for us. Hamburger, French fries, and soft drink are supplement, are not major food. For them, is major. So demands are wants for specific products backed by an ability to pay. Many people want a Mercedes, but only if you are willing to able to buy. Okay, demands are wants. What is the thing for demands? Sometimes you can consider wants. Right? When everybody wants, we want Mercedes Benz car, but only few of them can buy only. Some combinations of products, services, information, experience offered to market to satisfy a need or want. Marketing offers include persons, places, organization, ideas. Okay. So if you combine these product, services, information, or experiences offered to market, satisfy a need, right? To satisfy the need, we need to combine all these things: products, services, information, as well as experiences. What is marketing myopia? So myopia focuses only on myopia. Sorry, myopia focuses on existing wants and lose sight of underlying customer needs, forgetting the fact that product is only the tool to solve customer problem, consumer problems. What is the focuses on existing wants? Okay, customer needs. Okay, what exactly that is called? They focus only on existing wants, right? They are not interested in customer needs. That is marketing myopia. So what combination? Customer value and satisfaction. Okay, customer values and satisfaction. Key building blocks for developing and managing customer relationships. Customer value is the difference between values and customer gains. owning and using product and cost of obtaining the product is. Customer satisfaction is the extent to which a product perceived performance matches a buyer's expectations. The market, look at the market is gone. So pure competition market, monopolistic competition market, only so oligoplastic, sorry, polyistic competition market, pure monopoly market. They're all depth of marketing subject, but for us point of view is called this is um, this is most important. Customer driven marketing strategy. Let's have this is a nice one. Okay. Art and science of choosing target markets and building profitable relationship with them. Rest of marketing management is creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value is the key. And also sometimes demarketing. Marketing to reduce the demand temporarily or permanently. The aim is not to destroy the demand, but only to reduce or shift it. Sometimes also we do such type of the strategies, the tactics to reduce the market also. So what you have is called superior customer value is the key. Sometimes we need to do. Last time we have seen that is called. So always you need to see that the customer is the god, right? If you enter into any other markets and especially Gandhi, Khadi, such type of things. Now the quote from the Mahatma Gandhi says, Mahatma Gandhi said, always if you treat the customer as the king, and then definitely he helps you to improve your businesses. That's the point said by Mahatma Gandhi is. So regarding this particular marketing management is choose the target market and build trust relationship. Always you need to build that one is called, right? Always feel that it's called communicating, creating, delivering, communicating superior customer value is a key. Always provide a value to your customer. And what type of this is called superior customer value is required. What customers will we serve target market? How can you serve these customers best value proposition? What is value proposition is called set of benefits or values with promises to deliver a consumers to satisfy their needs. Okay, benefits and values what you're promising, and that entire thing you're delivering. Medical value proposition should be same. The product concept is the product philosophy holds the organization knows it's a product better than anyone or any organization. The company knows what will work, designing and producing the product, and what will not work. Right? Okay. So Peter Drucker is one of the person about marketing. He said, "Illustrate the marketing era concept." Peter Drucker, 1954. What he said is the practice of management point of view. Just now I said customer is always the king. Okay. So this should be there. You are always in your mind. So if the customer is oriented, integrated profit philosophy of business. Okay. So present of general education said address the area said it is a customer oriented, integrated profit oriented philosophy of business. Business consists of all this. What is social marketing? We'll have separate class for social marketing. So there's no urgency for that. Let's prepare a market plan. Okay, this is the one. Price, product, promotion, place, people, the process, and physical environment. These are the things required. So the price is the most important. The strategy, the price. What is that? Followed is called, look at that's called the price point of view. The story already have seen, right? You have seen already. Voice is not audible. Is it okay? Voice is one. Kumar. Is it okay now? Yeah, okay, right. Kumar. So only 6 of you in the class. Okay. So you had already heard a story about one other time is fun. Let's have a look at the stories. Once upon a time, there is a old woman used to sell the idlis, right? So she used to sell the idlis 5 rupee each idli, 10 rupees to idli. So she used to sell the idli for 10 rupees to idlis. Then one of the marketing person, the big entrepreneur came, all the way from Bombay, and he also wants to expand the business. Okay. Then when he came and he wants to keep a food stall, morning tiffin center, he wants to start a tiffin center in the same place where the old woman is selling. And when the person came, observed the market, and everybody is going to the old woman shop morning time and purchasing idli and eating. So 10 rupees, two idlis. And this person, because he wants to expand the businesses, and how, but what he wants to say is called, he wants to sell his own idlis 10 rupees each. But that old woman is selling 5 rupees each. Then what to do now? Right? So what he wants, his strategy played is called, let's keep called, instead of she's selling 10 rupees to idli. So what he wants is called, first he said is called all the people to attract everybody. Initially he started giving the free of cost. He said this called because the inauguration offer, let's all of you please come and have the idli. Okay, two idli, you can have it. Come and eat my idli. So all the people, because he's giving free of cost, everybody went to this shop and started eating of that one. Morning every day, two idlis, everybody started eating. So 1 or 2 days, when the old woman observed that no one is coming to our shop to eat. Then she inquired about that. She came to know that it's called everybody is going to the free and eating there. Then after some time here now like that, the person said, no, I cannot give now free of cost. Let's eat everybody. Okay, instead of 10 rupee to idli, let's all of you take 8 rupees to idli. Okay, for 8 rupees to idli, you can take it. So then people started comparing, right? 2 rupees you are saving. Let's eat here only because already tasty is there, and we got custom of eating from here, and just let's start eat. So 8 rupees, 2 idli, everybody is getting, and same here also happened. No one is going to old woman, and old woman started losing the entire businesses. Again, 1 month gone, and after 1 month, then the person, the entrepreneur who came all the way from the Bombay to here, he said, no, 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 I can't afford 8 rupees. Now each idli is 10 rupees. Now 20 rupees to idli you have to purchase. The people, why he is selling like that? Let's go to the again old woman. They went to, they observed that the old woman is no more because of losses. So she's no more now. Then again, all the people came to the big guy and they started eating. This is a strategy played actually. What is that story is? Example, who is that Bombay person? The Bombay person is nothing but a Reliance. Yes or not? So that's only played. So you should be very careful about all these things, sir. Okay. So you should see that is called in the old woman is nothing but a called BSNL. BSNL was the old woman, and the all the way the person came from Bombay to here started the business is the Reliance one. Now you can see that is it. What do you have SIM is a Jio or a BSNL? Huh? Which SIM do you have? Which SIM do you have? Huh? Mine is Jio and what of and Jio. Next. Next. That's the price is. How much price is? So to Jio, one said Jio. Jig Jig Jio, Babu, Jig Jig Jio. Uh, and what is the moral of story told same thing for us. What is that big person came and started doing the business, and the old woman is nothing but a called BSNL, and the entrepreneur came all the way from Bombay to here is nothing but a call Reliance is. So now you can see that none of them have BSNL. None of them have BSNL. Even the BSNL reaches everywhere, every village we have BSNL, but it's not there. So that's the thing is called price is the most important category, plays crucial role when you're talking about. If you want to suppress the opponent, right? Now in the competition you want to be higher. What is called the crucial place is the price. The price is the most crucial one. You should be careful about that. It's called price, right? Same time, what do you have is not everyone does like this, the such type of the business practices. You should have ethical values, right? That's only the entire subject from beginning onwards we are concentrating. We can do business, but it's not ethical values. Value is important one. Without doing the value, doing like this is wrong, right? So you should always here now call accept the competition. So you should accept the competition and do it, do the business. If you are thinking like that, I should not have any competitor in the market, is wrong. It's a wrong thing. Is it never allows to get the success, especially in our countries like democratic countries. So democracy means competition. If you are thinking that no competitor exists for me, it's totally meaningless. It's totally meaningless. That means you are immature fellow. You never studied properly about your education. You are such a so you don't can't say some other words. So like this comes. So you should have competition. You should have call competitor should exist, and based on competitor only you should have prizes. If you are thinking like this, such type of worst one, some other comes. So it's not a good marketing tactical one. Okay, price can be competitive price, not a zero price. The next one is called product comes here, right? The marketing mix comes of price plus product is, right? The next one is promotions. You can have promotions. Like example, what you have is so offering the buy one get one, right? By offering buy two get one, by saying that is called discounts. All these things are promotion. Now next one is called place. Which place you want to do that one is called place means here now what you have is place. Place means called I want to sell. Example is called a so if I sell coconut oil, right? I would like to sell I would like to sell this coconut oil in Tirupati. Anyone purchases? No one purchases. In Tirumala, I want to I have kept a shop, okay, coconut oil shop at Tirumala. Anyone purchases? No one purchases. So you should see where you can do the business is. The place is more important one, right? The place is also important one when you want to sell your items on. The next one is called people. Okay, to whom you are targeting, right? We have three targets. What are they? It's called upper class, so middle class and lower class. So whom you are targeting this one is called, right? Is also important one. So you want to help this lower class. Example, that's what you have is called you have charities. Okay, using charities it is possible you can help the lower class, and you want targeting here upper class and middle class, upper middle class. This one. So whom you are targeting is also important one. You should see such type of things also. So for example, if the how is called uh, you want to start a school. So where do you want to start the school? That also should be taken into considerations. So place and people is also important. The process, okay? Process mathematics, the work, okay? So you have got direct example online processes. So there it is possible you can meet the customer directly. So instead of via middleman, somebody is not required. You can talk to the customer directly if you have the online processes. The last one is called environment, the physical environment, your manufacturing environment, all these things. The all marketing is. So how do you build the customer relationship? We have some other topic is there. That's again some other time we discuss. So value from the customer also one thing. One more topic, the challenges. Challenges are in the syllabus. So connecting via technology with customers, market partners with the world. So advances in computers, telecommunications, video conferencing, etc. major forces for us. So not a problem for us, especially you people know all these concepts are. So very not a great for us to understand the concepts are. That's the advantage for you as compared to the MBA entrepreneurs as versus MCA entrepreneurs. MCA entrepreneurs have the advantage compared to MBA people because you are on this, you know, every concept is what is database, what is the meaning of cloud, what is big data, all these concepts we know that. So if you are able to adapt these technologies, it becomes very easy for you. So advances in telecommunications, computers, video conferencing, all you understand is called. So database allows for customization of products, messages, and analysis of needs. We can do analysis as much as possible. The needs can be analyzed very easily using our own techniques, right? Where for the MBA graduates, it's very difficult for them to do all these things. That's why they're adopting our subjects only. That the MBA people have the subjects of big data analytics also. They have subjects and business informatics, all the subjects they have because they want to learn, understand the concepts, right? The internet is facilitates anytime, anywhere communications. As I said, facilitates CRM, creates market space, all these things are possible. So connecting via technology with customers, marketing partners with the world. How do you connect it here now? So partner relationship management involves connecting inside a company, connecting outside the partners. Supply chain management, strategic alliances, all these things. All these things, what do you have? The most important thing is called connecting inside the company. Your employees should feel that is called the product is called topmost product. So your employees are not feeling the product what they're manufacturing, what they're delivering, then the problem starts. That's why I call brand value start from your home. Your home, your own employees are not believing that it's a higher brand value, when the problem comes. That's the most important thing is. So partner relationship management involves connecting inside the company, your own type of the companies are connecting with outside partners are via technology, with customers, marketing partners, with the world is. So globalization, competitions, new opportunities. Both coming with the globalization. So can I here now call, suppose example, in this globalization concept here now, there are various countries where this possibly can expand your market is. Just now, I have seen that Tesla is a one company, electrical motors, hybrid electrical cars. Tesla is a company. Tesla said, why you are not coming to India? Tesla said, only one thing. I am very much interested to come. The thing is called how much will I get from the government is. What type of benefits will I get from the government is. Means called that so many companies expect that is called government should give them some benefits to them. What are the benefits? Taxation benefits is one of the first thing is. They look for the tax benefit, the first most important. The next one is called the land. The land, how much they get from the government is called. Right? The third one, what you have is called electricity, the power, the water. This type of benefits they are expect from us. So once you are given this type of the benefits to them, then automatically they're ready to start the industries. What the government says is called same time, government what the government gets, suppose if they give all these things free of them to them, but the government won't get anything. Government, what happens is because the local people who is there, they'll get employment opportunities, right? That means government is giving the employment opportunity to the people indirectly, not directly, right? Indirectly, via from other one, they are giving the employment opportunities. When the people who are surrounding or some other place getting jobs means economy is increasing, economy increases. So like this way, government should support these industries to start and automatically employment generation is possible, automatically lifestyle changes. That's the way is called, that's the only called development is. Where here now what you have in this one is called, once you got this type of business into, where it is possible, you can go for the globalization, right? We can export your business, your products to some other countries also. Example, what you have is called, the major product goes from our country, other countries are medical. Medicine is the highest product goes to other countries. The next one is called the food items like rice and vegetables. Which country? It goes to Saudi, first of all. Saudi, you know, here now called they don't have any crops. So Saudi, UAE, Kuwait, all these countries goes from our country only. And you can see African countries too much dependent on us. Wheat, rice, okay, all these items goes from the India's to there only, goes from our country to there only. So like this, their dependency, many countries are dependent on us, especially food items, right? Which state is does lot of export to other countries? The state is Gujarat. Gujarat is a state which exports the maximum items to the other countries. So once there too much business involvement is there. That's why their studies are very less. In the entire country, which state the education is very low is nothing what they call Gujarat. Gujarat is we are in seventh place actually. Telangana is seventh place. Education point of view. Let's see the next one. The four P's are there about marketing is. Let's see the four P's. This is a product, price, promotion, and place. The marketing mix. The marketing consists of four P's. Okay, four P's. Product, price, okay, promotion, and place. Just now I said already. Four P's. Huh? These are all noted down. The four P's are very important one. Without this one, there is no marketing concept. Is product, price, promotion, and place. All of you noted down in the book. What do you have marketing functions are? Marketing information and research, product planning, sales and distribution, advertising and promotion. The four specific functions exist. I'll share the material. Four specific functions are marketing information and research required. What do you have marketing information is economic information, business, trade, industry, consumer, user, product, sales and advertising research analysis. Information handling and data processing, marketing operations research, computer intelligence. Product planning consists of is determining and developing the company's product mix, matching the product specification, packaging, pricing, performance, and servicing to customer needs through product and service information and new product sales. Sales and distribution, field selling, selection of distribution channels like that. Advertising and promotions are advertising to the customer or user in all media, press, TV, cinema, radio, outdoor, social media, all these things. So these are marketing functions are four marketing functions. So what do you have? Product, price, promotion, and places. So what is for us? The promotion for the right product at the right place and in the right place. So at the right price and in the right place. Is that a company can plan a promotion for the right product at the right price and in the right place. That's most important. Let's say a company can plan it. What is promotion is? The product is. A product can be either good or service. Mine is a service. A customer buy a product and a customer usually. Sometimes there are one and say as an industry firm can also be a customer and consumer. The target market refers to potential customers and consumers for the products. So no matter how good the product is unlikely to succeed unless the price is right. So this doesn't just mean being priced cheaper than competitors. Most people associate a higher price with qualities. Most of us will feel that the higher price is there means there is a quality exists. And same time, that's should not take an advantage. Then the problem comes. It should give them more quality, more features in the product. Then the price can be higher also. Promotion is the main aims of promotions are to persuade, inform, and make people more aware of the brand, as well as improving sales figures. Right? Advertising is the most widely used form of promotion. The most important is use advertising and various medias. Just now I said cinema, outdoor, billboards, posters, TV, radio, like this. For example, advertising is one thing. Generally, we do it in the, especially in this one is. So we used to in the technical events and the cultural events at time. We ask the students also go for advertisements. So we used to tell the students also take the quotation, take the invitation from the college and go and get the advertisements. So this is the one of the actually a case study we used to do it. So generally here now when the student goes to some other place and ask for advertisement, for example, the computer institute. Computer institute they used to go and ask for advertisements. So what did they ask is called what you are doing there? We are connecting some technical program and we are releasing some book, a textbook or some book you are releasing. There you can give advertisement. So how many books are printing? Student used to say around 500 like that. So then what are other things you like that? So we'll say call in the program, we'll canvas, we'll tell about your company is okay, we'll say thanks to you like this. Such type of advertisement comes to you. So that is one of the attractive way. I hope so that you have done such type of things in your degree graduation courses. So, but in the PG time, we used to ask the students also. We know some problems are there are some pains are there, right? So these things are possible for you to understand once you go and ask for the advertisements. Are this is one of the things. That's what that was one of the case study we used to attract the students to go and for the advertisements. How much you get is not an important thing. We know called not everybody gets advertisements. Sometimes we get, sometimes we won't get. But the thing is called we want to train the student what exactly meaning of advertisement is, what type of the people are exist, or we go outside and ask the money is. The specific sections of society market segment being targeted will affect the types of media chosen as well as will the cost is. That's one of the thing is called. So what type of media will choose? TV or paper or so social media more important thing is what type of media will choose that one. So it all depends on the target people is here now. The target how much you do it is called. So once you give the news, internal news. So in the between the news, most of the thing is called advertisement comes here now because you can't give more advertisements also. The news is only half an hour and we can give advertisement comes maximum of 5 minutes only. Each advertisement time would be 20 seconds to 30 seconds. 20 seconds more actually. 25 seconds only. Each advertisement is 20 seconds, 25 seconds, you can show more things are possible. If you 1 hour go 1 minute also. Right? So in thing is here now called within the 20 seconds and how many times the advertisement you're asking is they based on that they charge. Right? But paper is not like that. Paper we can give the sizes. It's not time based, it's size based. 4 by 6. Okay, that's called feet. Four the paper is not a 4 feet now. The paper is just a 4 sheet, 1 feet only. If you're talking about A4 is. And paper is what a bigger one consists of is called 3 feet, 3 feet, and we can now call side width is 2 feet, 3 by 2 feet. That's what paper is. So within this one, how much advertisement will give that is called, right? That is also important for this. If you are a toy manufacturer, you might want advertising spot during children's TV. That's important thing. So you are a toy manufacturer, so you can give advertisement in the children's TV, right? Like example, what you know, Disney TV, I guess there is possible. If you're an a local restaurant, you might choose a local paper or a radio, right? That is also one thing is, right? Radio or a local paper can be even used for the local restaurant. That's very nice strategies. Yes. And again, which day you want to give advertisement? Sunday, Monday. Yeah, no. Sunday is the better one to give advertisement because it reaches maximum number of people Sundays. So generally we used to give news also. A very good news is there, and there is a chance of this news comes in newspapers. So what I say call wait for Saturday. Saturday we release the news, and Sunday it comes morning it comes. And Sunday morning it reaches maximum number of people. And the feedback I used to get, Prasad got many things. So many people said congrats to me because of the news has come on the papers. So that actually strategy played by myself is let's keep the news with us and we give the release the news on Saturday. Let's come on Sundays. Like the strategies we used to play. That's only promotions point of view. One of the tactical things are. A smaller local business would not usually advertise on TV because it's very expensive. The sales promotion designed to encourage new and repeated sales. Loyalty cards, free gifts, competitions, and the voucher schemes are the most popular one is the most important thing. Is competitions. The best one is called competitions. Voucher schemes also. Gift cards, loyalty cards. These are very important one. Like the discount cards, all these things. Companies use sponsorships and public relations to improve their image. Example, students. So among students, I would like to improve my image. So give this type of the things are right. Teenagers, I want to improve my image. Give the advertisement in the events where it is happening. This financing sports, the arts, the public information services. There is positive and give. The place is distribution channels are the key in this area. A firm has to find the most cost-effective way to get the product to the consumers. Direct marketing through catalogs via TV shopping channel and through internet have become popular nowadays because the consumer can shop from home. Going through wholesalers and retailers is the most popular form of distribution, as that is still where the most people shop. The most important thing is here now. The fourth point you see here, so most of the times wholesalers and retailers are more important thing is if you give maximum discount, these people, wholesaler and retailers, around they push our product to the next level. If they're not giving discounts, they won't push it. They'll keep it sidetrack. They'll keep it sidetrack. That's also a very things to be known. Market research to be done. It's for consumer-oriented market research. Identify where the consumers' need are and then try to meet them. Okay. Exactly identify where the consumers are. Where do you have all the customers are exist? What type of customers exist? Do the research on there, right? So look at the one of the research I tell you. One question I'll show you. The question is market research point of view. One question I show you. Let's say the question is what do you